Hey, Scotty.
Sorry, I'm in a really, really good mood and I am so wired today. Literally.
Yeah.
All of our wiring is completely done for the cooling, or for the fans and everything. Through, tucked, wrapped, literally wrapped, all the way through. Positives in, negatives in, and I wrapped up a little bit more just to kind of clean everything up a little bit so that it just looks better.
Nice and tidy.
We still have to worry about the ignition system, so we still got to run the...
I gotta run that wiring, yeah.
So we got to get that done yet. Run the ground for that. But it's been busy. So we've had a little bit more going on that I needed to make room. So I made room on the bench.
Nice.
Looks so much nicer. We've got room for things. We got a whole bunch of new sockets in. So not that you guys, well, I would imagine you care. I hope.
Hey, Scotty. Nice rack.
I know, right? Wait a minute. Does it match my A cup?
Oh my god. All right, so
Okay, here we go. Well,
in the door.
for those of you that have been following us, the sill plate was pop riveted in.
Yes.
They destroyed all the holes, and the only way to put it back on properly would have been screws like that big compared to that big.
Yeah.
They were that different. And I remembered there's just enough room to pull the sill plate that 1/4 of an inch more towards the door and drill in. So unfortunately I had to do it. I did not have a choice. It just there was no other way to get it done.
Look at that. It fits. Everything's
Yep.
nice.
It's nice and
got
neat.
the right screws in it.
I forget what we're waiting for the column.
We gotta just put it together.
No, my dumbass just hasn't gotten it done yet because
Yeah,
I've been
put it
busy
back
doing a
together.
million and one other things.
Yes.
Plain and simple, I ain't even gonna lie to anybody about it. No, it's just been super, super busy. I haven't been able to focus on it today 100%, but we got the wiring ran for the positive for the fan controller, so it's all the way through
Back to the battery.
back to the battery. And I just made, I know you guys can't really see, well, here's the wire. I made my ground and ran it through this way because there's enough underneath the hood.
Yeah.
And
Nice.
no
Oh.
issues.
Well, we already did video on tires. But
Yeah, we already
I
did,
just-
which they still look amazing. I
yeah,
absolutely love it.
It's sexy as shit.
But we got to get a hold of the owner yet. I think we're going to be dropping it.
We do need to drop
it's
the
gonna
back
be,
for
it's
sure.
going to be lowered.
We need to
There's
drop
no
the
doubt.
back a little bit.
Yeah.
And we got to get the dash pad coming,
Yeah.
which Mo, I will be texting you here shortly with that info.
Yeah, because I can't line anything up
till we have a dash pad.
till I have a dash pad.
So, yeah, we need that. So we're gonna handle that. Get it here.
Yeah, and get that taken care of.
And,